Talk quickly about the G310r, which is priced at $4,750. So this is the first entrance into this segment for BMW, small displacement. And this bike is every bit of BMW. Fit, finish, quality, upside down forks, 6-speed transmission, electronic fuel injection, everything you would expect of a BMW in a more condensed thrill ride. The G310r, since launching a couple months ago, has been doing very well. And that's one of the reasons, or one of the expectations, that has led to the G310 GS. So the GS, we expect to launch in the first quarter of 2018. This bike does have some differences to the G310r. If you look at it, you see the GS jeans, the beak at the front. The suspension, it's 7.1 inches of spring travel in the front and rear. On the R, it's 5.5 in the front and 5.2 inches in the back. Some of the things that you get on this bike that you don't get on the G310r, in addition to the suspension, is you have a 19-inch front wheel, you have a luggage rack, enduro foot pegs, and there is a price for these things, but the price still brings in this bike at $56.95. As with the G310r, which is $47.50, we lowered the price of destination and handling from $495 to $245. So the G310r comes in at less than $5,000 with D&H, and the G310 GS comes in at less than $6,000 with G&H. At $5,940.